lovely sunny day in London, and we are just about to go downstairs and have breakfast. Can't wait, I'm so hungry. Outfit of the morning. Woo! We're going for a little navy and white Polo Ralph Lauren theme this morning. Lovely walk this sunny morning.
Squirrel.
Where?
Yes, yeah.
No. We are now at the lake in Hyde Park. So pretty. We are getting a Pedlo. Woohoo! We're on the Pedlo. I think I got a bit too excited.
If you go like this quick on the way back, you'll be even faster as you're going with the wind.
Yeah.
I'll start turning it now. A little bit.
Oh, I think we're going to crash. Got to put the camera down, work's needed. I'm now queuing to go into the Chanel factory in Selfridges. It's like a pop-up. So I don't even know what it is, so I guess we'll have to wait and see. Complimentary drinks and metal straws. This is so cool in here. Drinks. Right, let's go around. We are in the restaurant now. Finn didn't actually know where we were coming today, but we are here now and he loves it. Called Circolo Popolare, I believe. I hope I pronounced that right. Got a beer, very nice, very big, and I got a lovely lemonade, homemade lemonade. Cute plates as well here. Oh, what's yours like? Oh, yours is, what is that, chicken?
Cockerel.
A cockerel.
Hot chicken.
Our pizza is here. Here everyone is an amazing Italian. Cheers! Also, this is a wooden straw. Now, I haven't seen a wooden straw before. Usually they are paper, which are the worst because you drink like 3 sips and then it like closes and you can't actually suck any liquid from it anymore. Then you got metal, which is also good, but restaurants don't really do it, but I wish they did. But I've never seen wooden before. Also at home I've got like a plastic one, but it's not plastic this killing the world. It's like rubber, you know, like reusable, really good. I remember I'm from like a garden centre, I think. They're really good and they're reusable and save the planet, everyone. But obviously they don't do those in restaurants, but this is wooden or like bamboo. Would you say bamboo? Like bamboo, and it's just perfect. Like, come on, restaurants, up your game with your straws and get your bamboo / wood / I don't really know what material it is straw. taken an unexpected turn and we're now going to London Museum. Is it called London Museum? I don't know, but
it's the British one.
The British
Doing
Museum.
it for a laugh. I think it'd be
We're
quite
doing it
funny.
for a laugh. We didn't obviously plan on doing this. This is actually mine and Finn's first museum trip together. 5 years together, never been to a museum together.
Who would have thought?
Who would have thought? Who would have thought? We got some Mr. Whippies because we were in need of it. Look at the circus. Oh. Big one. Size comparison. Pina coladas. Can't wait, I'm so thirsty. Pina coladas are here. They look so good. Can't wait to drink it. We are going to Knack in Mayfair for some dinner tonight. Very exciting, very exciting. Street. Sat in Knack now. Love it in here. We have now ordered, we're sharing, like, we're going to get loads of sides and share them all. We've got the popcorn chicken with spicy mayo, we've got fries, we've got truffle mac and cheese and halloumi fries, so we are very excited to try all of that. Food is here, it looks insane. Dessert. We are having the crushed, is it crushed? No, it's milk chocolate cookies with like soft serve on the top. It's amazing. I've wanted this dessert for like ages now, but today is the day. The dessert is here. It looks absolutely amazing. Look at that. Enjoyed the video and don't forget to